Feel-good walking tours from all over the world, across Europe, Asia, and many more places yet to come. Filmed in every season, at different times of the day and different weather, and during special cultural events. Without forgetting, of course, the very special Christmas season. Created to help you relax with Pure Ambience, but with the option to tag along with guided narration, if you will. You can watch it subtitled in over 50 languages, although you can also enable me, your personal audio tour guide, if you prefer to listen. This is a cozy place to unwind like this cow and discover the world at your own pace. With us, every path feels like a calm escape. Welcome to World Paths, a gentle way to travel.
Hola chicos, ¿qué tal? Bienvenidos en Ibiza. Muy buen chico este que reprende, seguítelo, TripAdvisor, donde sea.
Muchas gracias. Tenga buena noche.